While we offer worship to Tulsi Devi, what we say? What is that? Huh? Tulasi Krishna Priyasi. Huh? Radha Krishna Seva Pabo Yehi Abhilasi. Huh? Isn't it then? Huh? যে তোমার শরণ লয় তার বাঞ্ছা পূর্ণ হয়। Then Karamore Vrindavanavasi, isn't it? Please, our mercy that I will be Vrindavanavasi. Huh? I will be a resident of Vrindavan. Then Moroi Abhyasa Vilasa Kunje Diyo Vasa. Then Noyana Heriva Sada Jugala Ruparasi. That is my desire. Abhyasa means desire. Moroi Abhyasa Vilasa Kunje Diyo Vasa. Tulsi Devi, this is my desire. Jo tomar saran liye tar vancha purna hoy. One who takes shelter of you, his desire is fulfilled. So I have this desire. What is? Na Vilasa Kunje Vasa. I will get a place in the Vilasa Kunja of Radha and Krishna. In the group, Kunja means group. You understand? Well, Radha and Krishna are there. I will get a place there and serve them there. This is my desire. So one who takes shelter at your lotus feet, Tulsi Devi's desire is fulfilled. Plus, fulfill my desire. Vilasa Kunja Diyavasa. Radha Heriva. Jugala Ruparasi. Always I will see this to Radha and Krishna, the beautiful karma of Radha and Krishna. This is my desire. To see them in the group. Do you understand? See them in the group. This is what? Our desire. Therefore you offer worship to Tulsi Devi.